Intellivision Dude here, and I have a package in the mail. What can it be? What can it be? It's not the package that I was hoping for that would come first, but I was excited to get this as well. Wizard of Oz Viewmaster. I've been wanting to get a set of Viewmaster discs because I found a couple of these at I think at the Goodwill, and I wanted something. I didn't want just some ordinary discs. I wanted something vintage. What I really wanted was either the Dracula or the Frankenstein ones that were made back in the 70s. I had the Dracula ones when I was a kid. Not sure about the Frankenstein. May not have. I kind of forgot, but I had the Dracula ones. And the artwork that they used, the detail, was just phenomenal. And I still want those. They might cost me a little bit, I'm not sure. Surprisingly, these ones here that was made back in like the 50s. This was made in somewhere in the 50s, 1957. These ones are not that rare. I think I paid like $5 for this. Ooh, and it comes with the book too. I didn't know it came with the book. Let's see what we got here. We got 3 discs. I guess you could follow along. Let's make sure they're all there. 6, picture 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Now what I'm going to attempt to do is attempt to see if we can view this through the camera. It may not work, but at least I'm going to give it an attempt. So maybe you can see the artwork as well. So I'm going to pause this here in a second, and we will attempt it. And if it does not work, I will link to some images online. This says 3D Viewmaster. I don't know if that'll work or not. This one has a bigger lens. I'm going to try this one first. Before I pause this, I'm just going to take a look. Let's see. Where are you supposed to start it at? With the arrow? With the V? Let's see here. Trying to debate how this starts. The first picture looked like it was upside down. We'll pause this so I can get the perfect zoom. That may be the best I can get, so it'll probably look better if you was actually looking through it with your eye and not just through this camera here. But the detail and artwork that they used for the character models is fantastic. And I read while doing some research on this set that they based it more on the book than the movie. Okay. Hold on. I need to move this up a little bit here because I'm losing a little bit here. Maybe this will look better as I'm viewing it on the screen. Maybe it'll look bigger. This looks like the lion. I'm looking through it through the viewfinder of the camera, not through the viewfinder of the Viewmaster. So I'll have to look at these later. It's almost like claymation that they used. It's almost like kind of like those Rudolph and Frosty cartoons from back in the day, the old and a little bit like what is it I'm thinking of? Kind of like Thunderbirds, maybe, in a way, but more like claymation. The flying monkeys. This may not look as well as I was hoped, but it's better than nothing. I think that's all of them, wasn't it, on that one? Yeah. We only got one disc left. I really hope I can get my hands on the old monster ones. They have Dracula, Frankenstein, and the Wolfman. I've heard that the Wolfman set is not that great, and the Wolfman really does not look that like a real Wolfman would. They kind of toned it down some. The pictures I've seen wasn't too many online of it. The Dracula one brought back so many memories. The Frankenstein one looked oddly familiar. Looks like the balloon. She's flying. That was all of that one. Well, that was pretty good. I recorded this in the last video with a little bit better quality. This camera does have a better quality setting. I don't use it because I can't record long enough. But I guess for these short videos, maybe it's okay. I can record 20 minutes of better quality, or is it 22 minutes? Or I can record an hour and 7 minutes of a little bit lesser quality. But I knew this video wasn't going to be long, so I decided to do it in better quality. So that's a cool trip down memory lane. Even though I didn't own these, but it's still vintage, it's still retro, and it's very cool. So, hope you enjoyed, and that's the end of this video. So thanks for watching.